Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, How to Browser. In this video, I'll try my best to help you fix unknown USB device error on Windows 11. Alright, so let's jump right into the video, and we're gonna start with method number 1, which is we have to disable the what is called the USB suspend. All right, so now what you have to do, you have to press on your keyboard Windows logo key plus S so we can open the search bar, and here please write edit power plan. Alright, please do this, and here what you have to do is to click on change advanced power settings, and now make sure you scroll down and expand USB settings, and then USB selective suspend setting, make sure you enable that as well, and make sure now you disable both of these, and then click on apply and OK. Alright, and now let's jump to the next method, and here what you have to do is to write device manager. Perfect. And here make sure you go to universal serial bus controllers, expand this, and now what you have to do is to update your USB. Okay, USB bus controllers, you have to update. Okay, so right click and now click here, select update driver, search automatically for drivers and close. You can also click on here to look for if there's any hardware changes, and now make sure to follow along with me so we can fix this problem. Alright, and if there's like a driver here that it shows like a question mark, make sure you uninstall that driver. Alright, and then click on this icon for hardware changes. Alright, now let's jump to the next method, and now what we have to do is to run a Windows troubleshooter. Windows troubleshooter can really help you and detect any problems that you might have in your computer. So in this case, this is gonna help us, alright, with our computer. So let's head over to the next method. So please write cmd and run as administrator. And now what you have to do is to enter this command. I'll leave the command in the description of this video. Okay, I'm not gonna do it again because I already pasted this command. Okay, just copy this command and enter this command, and this is going to scan for any issues. So if that didn't work, you try this method as well. Now I'm gonna show you the next method, and what you have to do basically here is pretty simple but very important, and is to simply connect your USB device to another port. So maybe your current USB that you're using right now simply has some problems, or it's like facing error and simply can't connect to your PC. So in this case, just connect your USB device to another port, and this might solve the problem. And on top of that, if you have a hub like an external hub, you can connect to that as well. And just try different ports, alright? And I hope this is going to help you. This is the end of the video. And if this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. I'll really appreciate it. And now I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care, guys.